Hey everybody, so today I want to do a little product review on this Revelate Designs Mag-Tank Bolt-On top tube bag here. It's like they make bike packing bags and things like that. It's US made. So anyway, did a big High Plains gravel grind event yesterday, and so 80 miles. I wanted to get something that I could carry, you know, some of my food and whatnot, nutritional supplements inside there. You know, because I figured I'd have my pockets full. So anyway, picked this up a couple days ago, and you know, cause it looked like something that would work out. I kind of like the way this little clasp thing hooks in there. I don't know if there's a little magnet that kind of guides it, but it's got a little hook there. I'm still not sure exactly how that works, but it seems pretty secure unless you pull out on it like so. So yeah, it's easy to put on. Just like I say, it bolts on. There's a couple locations. It's got a little pad piece in between that kind of separates the bag from the frame. There's a little pad here that separates the kind of your headset spacers or whatever in there, which I kind of just luckily had the right amount. So I think it's a really nice bag. The construction seems to be really nice, but I think if I was to do a big bike packing adventure, I'd definitely use it for that. But as far as upon using it yesterday in kind of a race type setting, I don't know, it didn't really. A couple little things I had issues with. You know, the clasp when you're, you know, just sitting here doing this is fine. It's pretty easy to clip and unclip, but when you're actually in an event where you know there's lots of vibrations and you're going, you know, whatever down a bumpy road, sometimes it's, you know, I was struggling getting this thing hooked in place a few times, and a couple times I lost some of my stuff trying to get it together and dropped a few things. I don't know, not a huge deal, but I just need maybe a little more time to work with it, which that wasn't a huge deal. Another thing, I don't know, I kind of don't like how it comes so much higher than my stem and everything. There's kind of like this little pocket here that almost seems like that would, I don't know, kind of like a little mini parachute or something. Probably not a huge deal, but kind of mentally maybe, I don't know. But probably my biggest issue was just standing up on it. My knees, you know, if I'm climbing there was some pretty steep little 11 to 15% gradient climbs that were, you know, where you really having to stand up and get out of the saddle and work it. And I kept, you know, kept getting in the way of my knees. I don't know, that's just kind of my riding style. So I think if I went on like an epic adventure where I needed to extra storage that I couldn't get in my pockets or things like that, where it was maybe going to be an all-day kind of thing, where wasn't going to be any serious speeds or standing up and things, or you're just kind of stopping and pulling over and need to take a break, I think it would be great for that. But yeah, anyway, yeah, the bag, it retails for $59. Like I say, it's US made. The construction seems really nice. Seems like it would be a pretty nice weatherproof bag. Looks like it would be super durable long term. But yeah, that's just kind of my pros and cons there that I've had with it. But yeah, it's going to do it for this little review. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it was interesting. Yeah, so thanks for watching.